What's up, everyone? If you are a doctor or a better call a dentist and looking to run Google Ads, so this is going to be a full tutorial and guide on how to run your Google Ads campaign as a dentist, as a dental professional, as a dental care professional. So I will be doing this step by step. So let's get started with me. And just in case, guys, if you're looking for a professional Google Ads service for your dental care, dental office, or as a dentist, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the links in the description to get started. Just for information, we are a Google Party company. I myself is a Google Ad certified in Facebook and being a certified advertising professional with years of experience in SEO field as well as in digital marketing. So let's get started on a step-by-step video on Google Ads for dentists. So in case if you are a dentist, I have written some points as well, which I was discussing with for a physiotherapist as well. So there are some things which I want to share with you guys. So without wasting our time, let's get started on this. So for as a dentist, what you may need, as I told you, is you may need a winning landing page. So the first thing as a professional is, in case if you do not have a winning landing page, you are going to waste your money, guys. You are paying money for each visitor to land on your website, which is why you need to have a very professional approach with your landing page. So let's say if I search for doctors in New York, doctors in London, uh, okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so I'm just I'm not going to click more doctors over here because I do not want this budget to be spent on this. So okay, one more I may need to do. Okay, okay, so not more. Okay, so this is this is a general landing page, not much to be look around on, but let's see in case if I find this one to be a good landing page. Okay, guys, see, it's a good one. You are when you land over here, you see something related to doctor, and you see a video. That's good. You can schedule a visit. But guys, this is not a perfect landing page. In my opinion, even these are wasting money. And if in case if I run specific to be dentist, okay, uh, I wanted to see in case if it's a good dentist over here, who are actually following my guidelines or not. But I want to see, so that I can discuss with you guys on what could be the perfect landing page as a doctor. Sorry for the camera. Okay, so okay, I like this landing page because this landing page has teach dentistry for today's lifestyle. But again, book your appointment today. That is good. Showing doctor authenticity, more certificates, something. But it's good, not a bad one, but it's okay. So this landing page is having a critical error. So see, guys, you are running advertising campaigns and you are wasting money. So guys, which is why you need a professional help. So people like us can help you. So I'm going to show you some landing pages examples. I have for both, and I'm gonna show you guys as well, so you guys can see. I was working someday and I gathered some landing pages. For instance, this is a landing page which I like. Okay, first of all, you need to understand that without scrolling much, you can fill your name over here. I believe that this actually helps to boost your conversion rate. So, and you have a face over here. Now see, this is a landing page which I like. Face, book your appointment without scrolling. I believe that the process should be quick and easy for your customer. You have your trust details, everything mentioned over here. Landing pages like this, work. This is a good landing page because you are showing the teeth over here as a dentist. Again, you can see that now this is also good. You can see almost everything, your operations, 30 years of experience and everything. So the first thing, as even as a dentist or a doctor, you are need to do is to you are going to spend money on a good landing page. A good landing page without proper CTAs, call to action, without authority, without even filling the form or videos, email subscription, you are going to waste money. So my recommendation is to have an amazing landing page with a newsletter. The newsletter builds the relationship with the client, which is why it is very important. Also, the third point is having the social media engagements. You need to have a blog, YouTube channel, and social media pages. Okay, social media pages, like Facebook. Okay, you need to have like Facebook, Instagram. Okay, I have seen doctors, where they are regularly sharing their case studies on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Okay, this also brings authenticity as well. And guys, in case if you can do add a blog section as well. And what happens is like you can add something like 7 ways to keep your teeth healthy, uh, best dental toothpaste, what you need to look around before buying a toothbrush. That is a way for marketing. This way what happens is people remember you as a doctor, so whenever they feel an issue with their teeth, your names come into their mind. So as a marketing perspective, you also need to have a blog, and then a services page where you explain what kind of services you are going to do. These are things you are going to look around. Okay, now the second thing is gonna come is that before your company strategy, I want to look around with your ads. Okay, now playing with your ads is the second most important thing. Okay, people say that ads are the first most important thing. I say that the landing page is the most important thing, but the ads are second. But we are not going to go in a discussion on what's more important. The important thing over here is that you need to have an amazing ad copy, and that ad copy is going to win the heart of your people. So which is why look around on what could be a perfect um, ad copy. Now this is a sample tool which I use to see if I add extensions and what could be, what could an ad be. Okay, now if you see around, this is a generic ad. Okay, you need to have interesting ads, like you need to have call extension in it so that people can directly call you, location extension so people have can get to know where you are located. In case if you have advertiser ratings done, you can see that how advertiser ratings impact the customers, and they're going to look reviews and wow. And if possible, in case if you are running a special like teeth whitening service or something like this, you can have a special pricing for those services as well. So this makes an ad interesting and amazing to the people and the audience. So this is how you get an amazing ads. Now the thing is that I want to recommend you few things with the ads. Okay, you need to have, okay, different ad for each intent. Okay, guys need to understand that every keyword, when someone searches, has a different intent. Someone searches dentist near me, and someone searching uh, uh, dentist, best dentist doctor in my city. Okay, whatever the city name is. Okay, I'm just trying to explain you guys that both keyword has different intent. Why? Because the someone searching best dentist doctor is not price conscious, he's quality conscious, and someone who is searching dentist near me is looking for a service right away. So for those, we need to have target on local search areas as well, through which we can show our ads on Google Map results as well. So we need to understand and create a campaign strategy. We need to have a campaign strategy where where I mean, uh, we can target people on Google Map for people living close to us. Okay, this gives the more authenticity to them, because they are searching on Google Maps, and our ads are also being shown on Google Maps apart from Google search. So need to have this. We need to have a remarketing strategy. So people who have searched and are not convinced enough, we can have something like a deal or discount or something amazing for them, because they know about us. And instead of, there are various searches which can tell you that instead of always targeting someone new, target those who already know about you. And the third is search campaign strategy for close areas, specific calls campaigns. You can find someone who do not want to even fill the form on the landing page, and want to directly call on the you. So call campaigns for those. So we are going to run with 4 campaigns. And again, target should be for your specific locations. If I was you, I would rather create 4 campaigns for each area. And if I'm targeting 3 areas, so I'm going to create 12 campaigns. So for each area, these four campaigns. Okay, because this is going to give me precise data on what and what is exactly working for me. I also need to look around, I need to install a conversion tracking to get the conversion done. I need to see which time, best time for conversion, at which hour of the day I'm getting more leads, at which best day. I need to understand I get more customers in starting days of a month or the last days of the month. Okay, these are some of the aspects which we can work around to see what exactly working well. And then the most important part, and that is now our keyword research. Okay, for keyword research, the Google Keyword Planner tool is just amazing. I'm gonna open my MCC and gonna show you as well. But the thing which I wanted to discuss with you guys is that, okay, let me show to you, you know is that the intent should be different. So we need to have something different for each uh, you know each keyword. We need to have a different ad. Okay, let me move to the, okay, where was it? Okay, let me search it over here, keyword planner. Okay, I'm just going to keyword planner directly from over here. It's in the planning and go to the keyword planner. Okay, I'm gonna select a random account, just to show you guys over here on discover new keywords. Okay, I'm gonna see over here. I'm gonna dentist, doctor. Okay, I'm gonna target pinpoint my location. For instance, I'm going to target New York. Again, in New York is a big city. I need to pinpoint specific areas where I am servicing or where people can comfortably come. Okay, need to understand. Then have a research done, or I could also write my website over here and they can give me good suggestions as well. Okay, okay, also need to understand, for instance, if I have a specific page for as a dentist surgeon, I'm gonna land people to those over here. So I need a specific ad group for those. I'm not gonna mix keywords as well. Even I'm not gonna mix the dentist keyword and dental surgeon near me, or even a dentist near me is a different thing. Even the dentistry for children is a different thing, and people are searching this in your area. I could have a specific campaign for dentist as a children and gonna show kids, and how I am special as a dentist for your kids or for your children, and a special deals and discounts. You could also have some area specific on your as a dentist where you can have some toys or something, so, so the kids can play as well, and that makes you an special as well. And then you can have emergency dentistry near me, family dentistry near me. You need to understand each has a different intent, so I may need to look around at the keywords and see these are 2551 keywords. I do not recommend you to run around with all the keywords. Okay, you could go with uh, 50 keywords at most and see what's working well for you. Also what you can do is you can look around your competitors. Okay, your competitors are your best teachers, and look around. We have some tools in case if you're looking for a professional help. We use SEM Rush and other tools as well, through which we can help in sorting out what kind of a campaigns they are running, what kind of a keywords they are targeting, what kind of ads they are running, what kind of a landing pages they have, and we can even help you with the landing pages as well. So in case if you're looking for a professional help, me and my team can also help you in those regards as well. Like, we can look around your competitors, we can look around your bidding strategy, we can also see when your bids are high, which days your bids are low, so you do not have to pay the most out of it. Now comes the most part, and that is your bidding strategy as a dentist. Okay, so bidding strategy as a dentist, what would be the bidding strategy in the campaign time? Mostly, when you open the campaigns, you know when you open some campaigns or something like this. Okay, what happens is, for instance, one of the clients, you may see the campaign bidding strategy, where there are various type of bidding. I'm going to show you so you guys can see better. For instance, this is, okay, let me scroll below. Okay, for instance, this is a general campaign. Okay. This is campaign settings. I'm going to move to the campaign settings. And people recommend on what kind of a bidding strategy you may need. Okay, for those who don't know, I recommend people that I do not recommend going with manual CPC as a dentist, but I would recommend going for maximize clicks at a start, and then eventually, once start getting some clicks, start getting some conversions, run maximize conversions for 2 weeks, and then run the target impression share with top of the result page for 2 weeks, and do the comparison on which bidding type is impacting your conversions. Then gonna decide, because ultimately you either have to run the target impression share or maximize conversion to get the most out of your dental campaign for the Google ads. So that is another scenario. Then if you ask me the search partners, I do not recommend adding the search partners. You have to run the campaign with search network, and that is going to be working very well for you. I also do not recommend running the display network for now, unless and until you are a huge doctor and you have a huge budget to spend on. But display network is good for retargeting, remarketing campaign. So we are going to run our retargeting, remarketing campaign as a dentist on display network, display only network, and that is going to helpful in those scenarios. But apart from retargeting, remarketing campaign, I do not recommend running display network for as a dentist. Then look around on your locations, see the locations, also understand location presence. You can also do advanced research and have a pinpoint targeting in your areas to further examine. You can even manually select the areas as well from over here, or you can do the radius targeting. Like, I want to see the specific area and I'm going to write it over here, and I'm going to select my radius over here as well. I do not want to disturb, because this is an already running campaign, and this is based on a radius targeting, location based targeting. So just telling you an ideas on what kind of a good location can do with it. So these are the few steps to ensure that you are going to have a winning uh, campaign as a dentist on Google ads. So I hope you like this video, but in case if you still need help, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we're going to make sure to create an awesome Google ads campaign for you as a dentist. We can also audit or optimize your existing campaigns as well. We also provide multi management as well. So we look forward working with you guys. So thank you for watching. Take care. And but in case if you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer all of those questions as long as they are in the comments of this video. Personal consultation is also available through the link in the description. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.